Good morning, children. Today we will start our third lesson. Questions, questions, questions. So, children, we all are when in our childhood. Bachpan. Childhood means bachpan. So, we are getting angry for small reasons, silly reasons. But when our parents make us understand, so we understand that and we patch up with our friends or other people. So it is never good for elders to interfere in children's matter. That it is a very bad thing. Whenever parents involved in the matters of children, so it converted into issues and there is problems in the relations with others. जब हमारे बड़े बच्चों के मामलों में जब इंटरफेयर करते हैं वहाँ पर, तो क्या होता है कि बच्चे जो है वो तो पल में लड़ते हैं और पल में मिल जाते हैं। इसीलिए पेरेंट्स को या बड़ों को घर के बच्चों के मैटर में नहीं बोलना चाहिए। So, whenever they interfere in matter, that children's matter, so it became big issues with relations, in relations. So, that's why whenever children are quarreling with their friends or others, so parents have to make them understand it is very bad thing and we have to patch up with, we have to solve that problem with our friends or others and we live together. So this is the best decision of parents or our elders. बड़ों का सबसे अच्छा डिसीजन ये होता है कि बच्चों को समझाए कि झगड़ा करना बुरी बात है। So children are so innocent. So because of that innocence, they clearly understand that matter and became friends. So children, here is one story of that one child bird. And he quarreled with his friend and very upset and come inside the home. But his parents were very good, very understanding. So they make him understand and then his problem cleared and again they became friends. So Mom saw Bert sitting in armchair. One day, Bert was playing with his friends outside. But so after some times, he came inside and sitting in very upset position in an armchair. His face was covered with his hands. ऐसे. So he was very angry with his friends. Some arguments with his friends. So he became angry, he left that plane and come inside. So he covered his face and mother asked, when mother saw him that condition, sitting lonely in that armchair, so he asked, what is the matter? Asked his mother. Nothing. Muttered. Muttered means very speaking very low voice. It is difficult to hear. ऐसे एकदम धीमे आवाज में बात करना. So nothing, muttered Bert. But mom understood that something is happened with him. So then dad came and he asked, why don't you go out to play? Because it is the timing of play, so you have to go with your friends and play. I don't want to, replied Bert quietly. Very quietly, calmly, gently he replied that I don't want to, means I don't want to play. Don't very well? Inquired his mom. Are you well? तुम्हें ठीक लग रहा है? तुम्हारी तबीयत ठीक है? Don't you feel very well? Then I'm all right, answered Bert. So Bert said that, no mom, I'm all right. Have you fallen out with your friends, Bert? Asked Dad. Dad again asked him. So, have you fallen out? Fallen out means, are you any argument with your friends? Is there any argument with your friend? Are you fallen out with your friend? Fallen means argument. Asked Dad. Yes, with one of them, replied Bob crossly. Crossly means very angrily. So he replied that yes, one of them. उसमें से एक से मेरा आर्गुमेंट हो गया है. Argument means with someone that longer friendly. Have an argument with someone so that you are no longer friendly with them. Argument किससे हुआ था उसका? जो बहुत ज़्यादा उसकी फ्रेंडशिप में नहीं था. Argument means किसी बात पर वाद करना, क्रॉस करना. So, yes, we know one of them, replied Bob crossly. Very angrily he replied. Which one? Said both mom and dad at once. Which one? Because they know all of them. Jack, answered Bert. What happened? Why did you argue? Why did you argue with Jack? Asked his mom. So, argue means speak angrily to somebody because you disagree. जब हम किसी बात पर एग्री नहीं होते हैं, सहमत नहीं होते हैं, तो हम आर्गुमेंट करने लगते हैं. So with Jack, he argued. Jack said, I hadn't scored a goal, but I knew I had. They were playing football. So there was goalpost. Goalpost means they were using their coats for the goal. So Bert said that he had done one goal, but Jack said no, he hadn't do any goal. So scored any goal that Jack said, but he was thinking that there was a goal. He said, the ball went over the post. Post means goal post. So, Jack thought that goal over the post, वो जो गोल हुआ है वो पोस्ट के बाहर गया है, इसलिए वो गोल नहीं है. But Bert was thinking that there was goal. And children, we saw that when in our sports time. So there was so much argument. Always every year we have many argument in sports. So just like that, there are two teams, and that two teams was thinking that they are right. Always every team is thinking they are right. So argument start. Just like that, Bert thought it was a goal, but Jack thought it is not. So argument started. But I knew it had gone into the goal. Who said? Bert said. Bert said that ball gone into the goal, said Bert angrily. He was very angry. What were you using for a goalpost there? What you are using? Is there any net? So we use our coats. They put their coats two sides. So we just put them on the ground a few meters apart. कुछ मीटर की दूरी पे उन्होंने अपने अपने कोट रखे थे. So you can see in that picture, pink color and blue color coat. So we just put them on the ground a few meters apart यानी दूरी पर, replied Bert. So Bert was thinking that there is goal, but Jack was thinking that there was not gold. So both started argue